I wanted to build a space where I would be able to focus better and be more creative. A safe space to edit videos, photos, that would also double as a nice backdrop for filming YouTube videos. Hi, I'm Justin, and welcome to my office space tour and the process of building it. This was the old office. It was a mess with too many cables and wires, and was often so cluttered I couldn't fit into the room. It became a dumping ground of random boxes and bags that slowly built up over time, to the point where I would not want to sit down or do any work in the room because it required me to clear out so many things first. I primarily edit on my MacBook Pro, in the most uncomfortable positions on the couch, in bed, or huddled over the dining room table. In order to maximize space in our apartment, we decided to consolidate my office with my wife's computer desk. To adjust to our varying heights, we decided to get a standing desk, and after lots of YouTube research, we came across the company Fully. We then started by discarding a lot of things. Out went the old IKEA tables, as well as the drawing table I never used. I ordered the Jarvis bamboo standing desk from Fully. It came quickly, and after some easy to follow instructions, was assembled. I opted for the curved bamboo model with 4-position height memory and 1 powered outlet. It fit perfectly into the alcove. The space didn't feel complete yet, so after more research, it was off to the paint store where we purchased some white and grey colours in their matte finishes. I made sure to tape up the walls, move everything out of the way, and patch up the wall from any old holes. I painted the wall the bookshelf would go on white, and the alcove where the computer desk is, grey. The matte finish helps cut down the reflection from light, making it an ideal backdrop for filming. I love how this paint looks once it's dry. It makes me want to paint the entire apartment in grey. We then transferred our bookshelf from the old office to serve as my camera and book storage unit. We headed out for another IKEA run to get a pegboard, as well as some accessories. We initially got the white one, but the wood color one fit the space a lot better. The pegboard is great for storing iPads, keyboards, pens, and any important papers that I like to grab at a moment's notice. We also got 2 floating shelves from EQ3. They used drywall studs to make sure the shelves would support the weight of my old film cameras, as well as some personal mementos. The Yashica Mat 124G, Pentax K1000, and Nikon FM2 all have film in them, allowing me to bring them down every so often to capture photos of family and friends. The desk setup centers around a 27-inch 4K monitor by LG, which is supported by an Amazon Basics monitor stand that helps create a clutter-free space. We added an IKEA lamp which has a nice retro feel and goes well with the standing desk, and holds mementos we won in Japan. I'm using the Microsoft Ergo keyboard that has the most satisfying magnetic battery door. The mouse is from Logitech, which has buttons for easy switching between Mac and PC. Both are wireless for a cleaner desktop. For sound, I have a couple of speakers from Kanto, which I picked up from their local warehouse when the ones I ordered on Amazon didn't work. I also have a microphone arm attached to the desk, so I can quickly extend it for voiceover sessions, like the one you're hearing now. I love the flexibility of the sitting standing desk, which allows me to remain comfortable during the day. I also got the Fully standing pad, which helps alleviate the stress my feet would suffer from standing for too long. When I do get tired, I can easily slot the standing pad away, lower the desk, and fit into my trusty Herman Miller Aeron chair. I've used these at work for over 10 years, as they are standard in the tech and VFX industry, so it was time we got one for the home. Next to my computer desk is my gear shelf, a simple IKEA bookcase that houses all my cameras, camera lenses, and camera accessories and labeled bins for easy access, so I can grab what I need at a moment's notice. Plus, giving everything its own space makes it much easier to unpack and return everything to its home after a trip. The bottom shelves hold my favorite comic and art books that inspire my creativity and still spark joy. We completed the space with a Muji bamboo garbage can that matches the desk nicely. Despite downsizing from a larger room, this arrangement allows me to feel as if I have even more space than before. Most things I had already accumulated over the years of working. It was just a few cans of paint, a new desk that helped breathe life into the office space again, which is something anyone can do. It took a few weekends, a lot of trips to the store, and a little bit of effort, but it was definitely worth it, as I've been working in the space for a few weeks and already feel more productive.